All right, free soda. Sweet.
Hey! Don't touch that, it's hot!
Why is it on a burner? Why is it hot?
It's part of our next experiment.
How to trick your friend into burning his hand off?
No, it's gonna teach us about atmospheric pressure. Ever heard of it?
Does it have anything to do with soda?
Not really, but it's still pretty cool.
What is it then?
Atmospheric pressure has to do with the force exerted on you by the weight of tiny particles of air. Although air molecules are invisible, they still have weight and take up space. Since there's a lot of empty space between each air molecule, air can be compressed to fit in a smaller volume. The air molecules are always pressing against each inch of our body with a force of 14.7 pounds per square inch. Ouch!
Well, that's all very nice and informative, but you still haven't explained what the blazing hot soda can is for.
It's part of our next experiment. Let me explain. This can actually has a little bit of water in it, not soda. Hey, it's okay. This is way cooler than any soda. The water's been boiling for a couple minutes, so I think we're ready to start the experiment. Now, this soda can with the water in it represents a very low pressure system, very hot. And this tray with the ice in it, represents a very high pressure system. Now watch and learn.
Oh, wow! Gosh, what was that? How did that happen?
Well, when the low pressure is placed into the high pressure, whammo! The immediate change in pressure causes the can to crush.
That's wild. I guess it's pretty easy to do, right? I mean...
It is. Here's a list of things you'll need. All you need is one empty aluminum soda can, a tray of ice water, a source of heat to boil the water in the can, and tongs. Pour a small amount of water into the empty can and carefully heat it to a boil. Once the water in the can is boiling, quickly and carefully invert the can into the tray of ice water. Stand back and watch your personal atmospheric pressure system happen right before your eyes. Be careful not to burn yourself, though.
This is a pretty cool experiment. Just make sure that there's adult supervision when you're doing this. Pretty powerful implosion. Can I have a chip?
Sure.
I mean, I'd love to be able to wash down the chip with some soda, but
Maybe I'll let you drink it next time before the experiment.
yeah, that would be great.